We all feel the frustration, we all feel the irritation when things are not going our way. But what is important is, does frustration lead to anything that is good for the team? At that point of time, what I am thinking is what needs to be done. Ultimately, you have to keep adapting yourself. So how quick are you when it comes to that adaptation thing is something that also defines, how successful you'll be in the future. I would always take care of the things that were in my control. I was never bothered about selection. If I didn't get selected, for me it was like I need to score more runs, I need to do better wicket keeping, because those are the things that will help me perform. Thinking about not getting selected won't help me in any ways. But I always felt that my emotions should be under my control, and if I'm able to do that, then my thinking will be more constructive, and also it will help me think more about the process than the result, because the result can put undue pressure on the individual or as a team in the full. So we picked the ones who are best equipped, or who practice the best, or who gave us the best result. I never thought that I'll play for the country. Then I started playing for the school team. What is next? The next became the under-16 district team. Once you play for the district, then state is the next aim. So slowly and gradually, you start taking care of the small-term goals. Because it's always more interesting, it's in front of you, and you start doing the small things right, you actually see yourself accomplishing those goals, and ultimately you keep tweaking your targets. So from the district, it becomes the state, from state it becomes zone. It's not always about few of the individuals, performing a lot better than the whole lot. What you want is everybody to contribute. That one wicket at that right moment, a good run out, an outstanding catch. These are the things that can really shift the momentum of the game. But the most important ingredient, yes, hard work is there, dedication is there, passion is there, but I felt being honest is one of the most important things. To start off, being honest to yourself. Unless you are honest to yourself, you can't be honest to others. And what it also does is, it helps you in accepting what the shortcomings are. You may not be a great player, may not be a great human being, but if you're willing to accept the shortcomings, you can always look to improve. You can go to people, you can ask for help, and there'll be people to guide you out. Whether it's your seniors, whether it's your parents, close friends, whoever those may be. And I always felt all these things really helped me keep moving ahead in life.